Hi guys, Justin and Crystal here with OurSleepGuide.com. Today we're going to be doing a comparison review of the Brooklyn Bedding Spartan and the Bear Hybrid. So let's get started.
So first we're just going to talk about what comes with each of these mattresses. When you order the Bear Hybrid, you're going to get a 100-day trial period to try out your mattress, as well as a 20-year warranty. And there's also free shipping and free returns.
With the Brooklyn Spartan mattress, you're going to get a 120-night sleep trial. You're also going to get a 10-year warranty. You're going to get free returns and free shipping. So going right into the comfort of the different mattresses, I'm going to talk about the Spartan and how it slept for me. Crystal's going to talk about the Bear Hybrid and how it slept for her. This is going to be a thick mattress, so this is going to be about 14 inches thick. You can really feel the 3 layers of foam that are on top of that 8-inch pocketed coil system, where they're soft, but they're very responsive. So if you do want to have something that has a nice soft feel for your back or your side, but you don't want to feel like you're sinking in too much and it's too much like quicksand, you know, this is really going to be a great feel. I know in my mattress store, this is a very, very popular style of mattress that I would sell, where you have those thick layers of foam up top, that 8-inch coil system below. If you're a bigger person and you want to have really good pressure relief for your shoulder and your hip, this is going to provide that. I know one thing is you might want to have it just a little bit firmer if you're sleeping on your stomach, but for back and side, this would be an excellent feel.
Yep, and actually this one also comes in a firmer and a softer feel as well. So if you do want a more specific feel, then it's great for that too.
Right, because currently this is the medium feel, right?
Correct, yep. And then as far as the Bear Hybrid goes, this one comes in one universal feel. It's also going to be a thick hybrid mattress that's going to have that 8-inch pocketed coil system, but then it's going to have 3 layers of foam on it as well. However, the biggest difference with this mattress is the fact that it comes in one universal feel that's going to be more of a medium to medium firm feel, and it's also going to be less responsive than the Spartan. So it's going to have a little bit less bounce when you're sleeping on your side and you're moving from position to position or whatever, but it's also just going to contour to you a little bit more and be a little slower responding. Personally, I thought it worked really well for all sleeping positions. You know, it is going to have just enough give while you're sleeping on your side to really let it relieve pressure in your shoulder and your hip, but it's also going to be nice for sleeping on your stomach if you need a little more support. And back sleepers, it's going to work well for too. So when it comes to the motion transfer of the Bear Hybrid, it's going to be similar to the Spartan, where it isn't going to have a ton of excess vibrations. It is going to have a little bit of a denser, more memory foam feel to it. So those top layers of foam will actually do a really good job of absorbing the motion too. I would say when it comes between the Spartan and the Bear Hybrid, they're going to be pretty similar as far as motion transfer goes.
So an important one is whether or not the mattress is going to sleep cool. Comparing these two different beds, the Spartan is going to sleep maybe just a little bit cooler than the Bear Hybrid. Both actually perform really well. Both do have a coil system inside of it. Both are going to have layers of foam that run in it. But this is going to have just a few more cooling properties that are inside of it. It's going to just alleviate some of that heat. But overall, you know, I thought they were both really well. So edge support wise, if you're somebody out there who wants to get really good edge support on your mattress, both of these mattresses do fairly good. I mean, above average, I would say. Neither of them are going to have a solid foam encasement that runs around it. You are going to have that coil system, that pocketed coil system that runs right to the edge and around. So you are going to be able to get some resistance there. The thing is both these mattresses are fairly thick, so you are going to have some sinkage. I say, you know, when I'm on the side here, I probably sink 3 to 4 inches. Crystal's going to probably sink 2 to 3 inches on hers.
Yeah.
The Bear Hybrid, I would say, outperforms the Spartan just a little bit, because the Bear is going to have just a little bit more structure around the bed.
Yeah, I think that also has a lot to do with the foams. This one does have, I think, those denser memory foams that also kind of help with the edge support. But I would say for sleeping, there's probably going to be little difference between the two. You're going to be able to fully use the mattresses from edge to edge. So both of them are great for that.
So when thinking about getting either Bear Hybrid or the Spartan by Brooklyn Bedding mattress, you know, it comes down to obviously comfort. How do you like your layers of foam to feel? You know, the Spartan, you are going to ride up It is soft, yet you're gonna ride up on top of it. There's a lot of aeration, so you can move around very easily.
There's also the options of the comfort. If you do have a specific preference you like, there's 3 different areas you can choose from.
Yeah, so that's an advantage of the Spartan mattress, where the Bear Hybrid, it's going to have that sealant in the cover. It's going to have that good coil system. You are going to have the nice layers of foam, where you're going to have some memory foam that's inside of it. You do have that added density. You only have that one feel option, but it is going to be right in that middle category, where that is the vast majority of people find that that feel is going to be the most comfortable for them. Really the biggest thing is probably price, whether or not you can justify spending around another $500 for the Spartan over the Bear Hybrid. Definitely jump back over to our sleep guide, check out the full written reviews on these mattresses and see the coupons, because we're going to be able to save you some money. But just like anything, it's always going to boil down to how much money you want to budget. But overall, both of these mattresses are going to be really good feeling beds.
So that's our review on the Spartan by Brooklyn Bedding versus the Bear Hybrid. So thanks for watching. Make sure you ask us if you have any questions. Subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up if you like this review. And until next time, Justin and Crystal with OurSleepGuide.com.